balance is like the most important to me in design. Having a balanced space makes you feel more calm in the space. I really love doing residential design. This client came to me in particular, and she had this dream of having this big, expansive island where all her family could gather around. They could be all in the same room, all feel so connected. And if her child was playing in the background, she could keep an eye on him while she's cooking in the kitchen, and everybody would just be connected in this one big space. The base of anything I do is just having neutral colors, warm tones, elements of the earth. So you're basically walking in through the door, and the first thing you're seeing is this huge arch. You're in the space where you know that you can just wind down, spend time with your family, and just relax after a long day of work. And when you're walking through an arch, it signals a shift in purpose or mood, and you naturally feel like you've transitioned into a new area. The curve of the sofa, which is mimicking the arch as you walk in, and it's almost separating the living area in its own little zone, curve to sort of walk by, and creates a better flow and energy as you're moving through the space. During the daytime, all of the window coverings were in a really nice light filtering shade. When they're all closed, you can still see like the soft light of the sun peeking through, and it creates this really warm glow along the whole back wall of the house. With all the light fixtures, I really wanted them to have a really warm, soft glow, and each light fixture is placed at a different function in the home. There's two really warm sconces around the kitchen area. I really wanted to use the pH 5 pendant over the island. Pendant pretty much has these different tiers of lights. These tiers almost diffuse the light as it's coming out, so it's never going to be a harsh glow on your face when you're sitting underneath it. Objects from the earth in your home that are alive and breathing, and they change over time. So wood would naturally develop more variation. Natural stone, you can spill things on it, and things you're spilling on it almost tell the story of how you and your family are using the space. And even metals, as they patina, they become almost aged. So for example, we have a brass rail. As it gets dirty, it's gonna develop a more of like an aged antique finish, and it's almost gonna look even more beautiful over time. It's all a holistic process where if you have good energy in your home, you naturally feel better, and you naturally are gonna be in a happier mood on a day-to-day level. So just getting to do that for someone is like really rewarding, because that's how I like to live my own life.